YouTube? It's your boy DMedz here, aka Chef Dave. We're coming out with another cooking video for you guys, another banger. Today we're gonna go ahead and tackle the crispy Parmesan cutlet here. This is the one I wanted to try out the other day, but Kurt wanted the tacos. We're gonna go ahead and tackle this one today. Now today I'm going solo. I ain't got no cameraman, so I'm gonna see if I can record all this stuff for you guys with the tripod and everything. Hopefully it goes well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get everything started here, get it all prepped, so I can start the chopping process and all that. Let's go ahead and get ready. You know we got a little fresh out here, so I'm about to throw this on, you know. Keep that hygiene. We don't want no hairs in there for our guests, even though there's no guests today. Y'all know what it be. Oh crap. I told you guys HelloFresh has scallions in every recipe. And I'm a fan of scallions, so I don't complain. But if you don't like scallions, you're gonna get it in every book. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this stuff off here to get it all prepared. So this is what it's supposed to look like once it's all done. So looking into the recipe, it looks like we're gonna be baking the carrots and baking the chicken. And we're gonna be preparing a couscous while that gets done. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty out the oven so we can get that started. And then we're gonna chop up the vegetables and the carrots. Set the oven to 425. We're gonna go ahead and start that. And we're also gonna bring a medium pot of salted water to a boil. I don't know if this is medium, but this is what I got, so that's what we're gonna use. We got the oven going. This pot is warming up. We're gonna go ahead and get these peeled here, and then we're gonna chop them up. Y'all, we know we like to use the bag for the trash, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel these into here.
One eternity later.
So now we're gonna go ahead and cut these, and wants us to cut them into 2-inch lengths. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. That's about 2 inches. That one's a little shorter because that's the way things work around. Probably should have done it this way. That's the way I should have done it. That's the way I did it. If HelloFresh sent the box with all this stuff chopped up, that's a guaranteed buy. Alright, we're finally finito. Alright, we're back, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and chop up these scallions here. Get these whites. Now, one thing that the other recipes called for was to separate these, the whites and the greens. And this is the first time I've actually done it because I always forget. Let's go ahead and chop up these bad boys here. Fail. I don't have a zester to get this done, so. And then it wants us to quarter the lemon. That was a fail. But whatever. They're quarters. They're not even quarters, but they're quarters. Then we're gonna go ahead and mince this up here because I don't have a zester. Alright, that should be good enough. I don't really care. They should send me a freaking zest of lemon if that's what they want me to do. You know what, HelloFresh? Y'all make me work too much, man. Now for our next step, it wants us to combine the panko. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. It wants to hurry up. Are you kidding me? You gotta be freaking kidding me. It's always something with this shit. The paprika. The Parmesan cheese. It wants a pinch of salt. There's a pinch. Some pepper. And a large drizzle of olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and mix this here. That's right, I bought a whisk. I got a whisk now. What you know about this? Real professional TV chefs out here. Y'all ain't know about that. Y'all ain't know about all the stuff that just flew everywhere. Y'all don't know about that. We shall take what we're gonna bake this in today, because I have nothing else. If this doesn't work, I don't care. We're not prepared for this. We don't have a big enough budget yet. They still haven't given me the $1 million budget I asked for. Come on, guys. Come on, NBC. You guys can put me right on after the Titan games. Just go ahead and play me. We can make bangers. Y'all can do the action over there, and then I can show y'all how to recoup that energy with some meals here. You know, little carrot stick. So we put the chicken into here. It wants us to lightly brush the chicken with sour cream. I don't have no brush. I'm using the back of a spoon. That's as close as you're getting, HelloFresh. If you guys wanted me to brush stuff on, I did not order a Bob Ross cooking kit. Jesus, what is all this? Get the other one nice and coated here. Okay, we'll go ahead and file this away. Now it wants us to throw on the beautiful mixture we made here. I'm just coating it because when I flip it over, it's gonna drop all the stuff in this. Make sure it's all on there, evenly coated. Now I'm gonna pick it up. All this stuff's gonna fall. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on top of this chicken. I'm gonna coat the other side, then I'm gonna flip it back so I can get all the stuff that got dropped. You know, cheat codes. Sour cream on chicken. I never thought I'd see the day. I'm gonna take this here. Y'all can't really see this stuff, but I'll show you the finished product, you know. That's all y'all care about anyway, the finished product. Yeah, that was a fail. I'm gonna use the rest of this here. I'm glad y'all didn't see what the hell I just did, cause I done goofed this recipe all the way up. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the other side of that chicken. I'm glad y'all did not see this angle, bro, because this is a mess. Paintbrush for you guys. Top this sucker here with the rest of the stuff that went everywhere. You know them ones? Alright, so the chicken is now breaded. Let me go ahead and show you guys the end result of that mess. Looks pretty good, right? Never mind all the freaking mess I made with it. Toss carrots on one side of a baking sheet with a large drizzle of oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now it wants us to roast the chicken and the carrots. Boy, if you don't stop with that Parmesan cheese crust, what is you doing? That is so 2008, bro. What is that? And these carrots, boy, if you don't stop, all lopsided, looking all different, y'all ain't gonna cook evenly. What? Guys, I've been roasting that chicken for like 30 minutes. Them carrots too. It's not doing anything. Place chicken, crust sides up on other side of sheet. I was only supposed to crust it on one end? What? That's weird. I don't care. I crusted both ends. Who's gonna crust one side of a chicken, HelloFresh? What is you thinking? Roast until chicken is cooked through. I already roasted it. It did not change temperature. So we're gonna put it in the oven and see if that works. 15 minutos. And once it on this rack. We'll put it there. This is taking forever, though. Let me start a timer before I burn this chicken, too. Knowing me, I'll end up doing that as well. Alright, let's get started on this couscous. Emperor Cusco. Emperor couscous. Once water is boiling, it's not boiling anymore because I took for freaking ever. Add couscous to pot. Cook until tender, about 6 minutes. Drain thoroughly. We're gonna go ahead and wait for this freaking pan to start boiling again. I took so long that it stopped. We're gonna go ahead and add these here. Israeli couscous. You know, Israeli. Shout out Got the Dot. You know, the queen. This one's for you, babe. Got that magnet on the fridge. You're what keeps me going, you know. I have to keep you in sight. When I look over there, I think, you know, I can never give up. I got this. I'm gonna win, Israeli beauty queen. You already know. You're gonna see me there. And now that we have this pot boiling again, we're gonna add the couscous. Never made this before, so I'm excited. I don't even think I've ever had it before. We're gonna get our chopstick here to give us a little stir. We want it to stick, you know. Cook until tender, about 6 minutes. Alright, we'll be right back with y'all. It's been about 6 minutes on this couscous. I'm gonna go ahead and try it here. With my handy dandy chopstick skills. It says cook until tender. I would say that's about done, so we're gonna go ahead and drain these. Okay, so the couscous is draining. Now we're gonna get this butter into this pan, the one that we use to cook the couscous, and then we're gonna add the white scallions on there. So I'm gonna take you on a little journey, see if I can do this. And there's a timer for the chicken, so we'll give that another second to let me shut it up. Let's take a look at this chicken. Looks about done to me. It smells really good. You go ahead and give it a little cut here. Take the look and see if it's done. Yep. That's about done to me. It looks awesome. So I want us to just take the chicken out and we're going to leave the carrots in for a little bit more. Let me add the white scallions here to this butter. And I'm going to plate that chicken to let it rest while the carrots finish roasting. Since my roasting apparently didn't work on it. Well, I think I just found out why they only wanted you to crust one side. I'm gonna spread these carrots out here and let these keep roasting. Wapa! Yeah, half the crust got stuck to the bottom, so I guess that's why you're not supposed to crust both sides. So HelloFresh, I owe you an apology on this one, but I'm still mad about that freaking sugar and those portions you keep sending me that are not right. Alright, we're gonna let this chicken rest. Had a long day at work, needs to get a little R&R. We'll leave you right there, chicken. Let's go ahead and take a look back at the couscous. Give it a little mix up here. Gonna go ahead and add the couscous back. It looks like Orbeez, to be honest. We're eating Orbeez today, guys. Thumbnail. This episode was a mess, dog. And I thought the last episode was a mess. It smells really, really good. It smells extravagant, exquisite. Tried some of that crust from the chicken because I couldn't help myself. That's pretty fire. I must admit. Smells really freaking good. We're gonna go ahead and give this a taste. That's good. I don't know if I cooked it long enough because I've never had this before. I never had Orbeez before, but the butter is really good. Yeah, that's fire. And here we have the chicken. Go ahead and give that a little taste here. Oh yeah. That is good. Adding some lemon to it, like it says on the recipe. We'll go ahead and see if that makes it even better. Grab another piece here. Got some lemon on this piece. Oh yeah, that's fire. Let me try another piece here with lemon and scallion on that dude. Now this is going to be fire. I don't know what it is about these little green suckers, but I love them. Oh yeah, that's the stuff, boy. These carrots look like they're done to me. So I'm gonna get ahead and pull them out before they burn me. Place those there. That actually still burnt my ass. Let's go ahead and take a look at these right here. Fire. Now I want us to put in the lemon zest into these. Not really zest because I minced it, but it is what it is. Oh yeah. Oops. Alrighty. go ahead and give these a try then. Oh yeah. That is fire. Hot. That is fire, bro. Alright, I'm gonna have one more. Yeah. Definitely gonna be making those again. That lemon added a little bit of more flavor. That I really like lemon and lime, so this was great. Let me stop. But yeah, there's the chicken we made. The couscous. And then these beautiful carrots. Never mind that crust that got burnt to the bottom. Again, HelloFresh. I gotta admit, I apologize on this one. Crushed one side of the chicken, guys, because the other one is not even gonna stick. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. We're making bangers and bangers. Chef Dave series. This is the beginning of the Chef Dave series because I love cooking. Even though sometimes I've been messing it up, you know. It is what it is. So if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already. We're making bangers every week, and we're uploading this fire. So you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm headed to work here in a little bit. I'm gonna be taking this for lunch, so I'm gonna go flex on them employees, you know. Chef Dave out here really with the business. Y'all have a great day.